Yes, Anandji.
Yeah, hi Ajit.
Very.
Ajit
Hello
is
all.
a very dynamic young man. He himself runs a huge organization called Marathi Katta there, and he's a businessman and tech savvy person also. Over to Ajit Radhe.
Thank you, Anandji, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. So, Anandji, if you allow me, if I will share my slide, couple of
Please, please,
slides, not much.
please, please, please.
Let me check whether I'm able to do that.
You will be.
I don't think looks like some problem, but anyway, uh, just to
नाही तुला प्रेझेंट नाव नाही आहे का खाली?
present now
खाली
आहे
व्हर्टिकल
पण
एरो 3 दिसते त्यात प्रेझेंट होईल ना? नाही होत आहे?
yes, 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 होते पण
Okay, forget it. If it is not coming easily then.
yeah, okay. Uh, So thank you, Anandji. I'm based out of Frankfurt, Germany, which is the financial capital of Germany. Germany, म्हणजे a lot of people are aware about English-speaking countries, पण Germany बद्दल बऱ्याच लोकांना माहिती नसतं. So Germany comprises of 16% of the total EU population. There are about 28 countries, but this country alone contributes 28% of the Euro area economy. एकच country. So which is a founding member of European Union, world's fourth largest economy, and more importantly, 26.7% population in Germany has migrant background, and Indians are increasing. So coming back to our Garze Marathi and how the chapter in Germany, or let's say this team will contribute along with me, like Prajakta, याच्यामध्ये आहे Akshay, and couple of other people are also involved. So the journey of Marathi Manus in Germany started in 1910. If you see a person called as Mr. Tukaram Ganu Chaudhary, he came here as a textile engineer, and that's how this journey started. So today, if you see, there are approximately 15 to 20,000 Marathi people. So in the DACH region, that is German-speaking countries, that is Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and a very small country, Liechtenstein. So how this calculation is based upon the number of Marathi mandals. So there are about 12 Marathi mandals here. मी स्वतः म्हणजे मराठी कट्टा जर्मनीचा फाउंडर आणि मी अजूनही प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून काम करतोय. आय एम अ व्हॉलंटियर देअर. So we have a close to 15 to 20K Marathi people in Germany or DACH region, I would say. Approximately 40% of them are students because the student population is increasing, and these 12 plus Marathi mandals, they organize more than 100 plus events in a year, within a year. So this is Anandji and team. This is the platform जिथं आपण गरजे मराठी pitch करू शकतो. There are, if you see the business wise, there are more than 2,000 German companies in India. Okay, आणि यातल्या more than 35% companies are based in Maharashtra only, with the headquarters in Maharashtra. सो एका पुणे आणि आसपास जर आपण बघितलं तर देर आर मोर दॅन 400 जर्मन कंपनीज हेडक्वार्टर, म्हणजे त्यांचं हेडक्वार्टर महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आहे. आणि दिस इज अ हब ऑफ न्यू स्टार्टअप्स. आणि मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली बिझनेस वाईज जर्मनी नीड्स 400,000 4 लाख न्यू वर्कर्स पर इयर. याच्यामध्ये देर आर IT पीपल, स्किल्ड IT पीपल, स्किल्ड पीपल फ्रॉम सप्लाय चेन मॅनेजमेंट, पॅरामेडिकल स्टाफ. जर्मनी नीड्स नर्सेस आणि डॉक्टर्स. ऑफकोर्स त्याच्यामध्ये लँग्वेज पार्ट कम्स, आणि बऱ्याच लोकांना असं वाटतं की लँग्वेज बिकम्स अ बॉटल नेक, पण असंही नाहीये. देर आर मेनी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज एस्पेशली इन IT विच आर इवन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रोफेशनल्स कॅन कम हिअर. आणि वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स दॅट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ लेट्स से पीपल लाईक रवींद्र गाडगीळ आणि आपले दुबईमध्ये जे मित्र आहेत ज्यांनी गल्फ बिझनेस फोरम सुरू केला. सो वी आर इन द स्टेज ऑफ, म्हणजे इथे मराठी एंटरप्रेनर्स खूप कमी आहेत. Hardly there are any Marathi entrepreneurs, but this is the green field, and that's why मी आनंदजींना नेहमी म्हणतो की गरजे मराठी आपण इथे बिझनेस फोरम वाईज आम्ही आता सुरुवात करतोय इन जर्मनी, सो दॅट मराठी पीपल कॅन कम टुगेदर टू स्प्रेड वर्ड ऑफ बिझनेस ऑल्सो. कारण कल्चर आणि ह्या गोष्टी नक्की पॅरलली चालू आहेत, पण दिस इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो थर्ड थिंग, the education, Germany as an education destination, many people you might be knowing, Germany is the fourth most attractive study destination in the world, of course, after USA, Canada, UK. There are more than 20,000 courses and 430 universities in Germany. And most of them, I would say, that त्याच्यामध्ये tuition fee is almost nil, zero. Okay, so many people do not know this, and at the same time, world-class standards education इथं आहे. So, and there is an increase in the English taught university courses also. So many people are not aware about this. People think when it is Germany, it is only German. Of course, it is true, but there is an increase in English taught university courses, and many Marathi students here are coming for different streams of education to Germany. So ह्याच्यामध्ये सपोर्ट करण्यासाठी मोठा स्कोप आहे. Many Marathi students, Maharashtrian students are coming up with like innovative ideas for tech startups in Germany. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये बर्लिन, ड्युसलडॉर्फ, फ्रँकफर्ट, म्युनिक ह्याच्यामध्ये हे लोक येत आहेत आणि दे आर स्टुडंट्स आणि देर इज अ इन्क्रीज इन इंटरनॅशनल स्टुडंट्स. सो with the help of this existing Marathi population in Germany, their presence culturally, demographically, and more importantly students, we can create a good amount of traction for Garze Marathi in Germany. And we all as a team, we are committed towards it. So 2 areas which I can find is education area, and definitely there is a lot of scope for because of the strong economy in Germany. It is always said that the 1980s and 90s मध्ये जे US होतं, especially the California and New Jersey area, ते आता जर्मनी आहे. So Maharashtra and Germany is here. So how we all can contribute towards it. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे आपले बरेच लोक like people like Amit Vaikar, those who work for German companies, they are at a leadership positions across the world. So Germany being an export-oriented economy, I always tell the students who come here that it's not only that you will find a job in Germany, but you will find jobs in German companies across the world, because Germany is an export-oriented economy. You go to the country, like wherever you go, for example, China, people like Amit can tell more about it, but definitely the China mode, there are almost 40% more German companies than in India. Okay. So if you go to Latin America, you go to Africa, you go to Middle East, there are German companies. So such is the strong presence of Germany. There is a lot of scope. This is early stage, premature stage, I would say, in Germany. So definitely the guidance from all the noted successful people across the globe who are from the Garze Marathi community is needed here, and we are committed towards it. Business forum create करण्यामध्ये we already have a strong presence culturally. थँक्यू
अजित. हेच अजितकडनं सगळ्यांकडनं अशीच अपेक्षा. अजित, तो मराठी कट्ट्यावरती 20,000 मेंबर येतो, 12 मराठी मंडळ आहेत. अजित थ्रू आपण जर करू शकलो, त्यांना जर व्हॅल्यू देऊ शकलो, तर जर्मनीत आपला प्रेझेन्स आपला चांगला होऊ शकेल. सो दिस इज व्हॉट आय कॉल ॲज मार्केटिंग. प्राजक्ता